vlog, y'all. I am so excited to be back on camera. I just got done doing my skincare, as you all seen. I actually did me like a whole little self-care day. I took an everything shower, so of course that's like washing my hair, conditioning, exfoliating my entire body. I haven't done that in so long. My skin feels so good, y'all. It just feels amazing. Shaved my legs. I just did everything, you know. Did me a deep skincare, exfoliated my skin, my face, dermabladed my face. I just feel so good. I just feel so feminine again, you know. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to go fix me some dinner. I think I'm just gonna do like a Caesar salad, but first I need to lotion my body up and put some pajamas on. I do want to share with y'all my new favorite item. Hold on. So I'm sure by now all of the girlies, look, I have hair on my lip. I did. Yeah, but I'm sure by now all of the girlies know about the EOS lotion. Some people love it, some people hate it. I personally love it, and I have super dry skin and it does me well. My favorite scent, the only one I really wear, like all of them smell pretty good to me, but this is the only one I purchase. Like if they don't have it, I don't get it. It's the vanilla cashmere. It smells so good, y'all, and E loves it on me as well. This has just been my go-to, my favorite. This is my girl. This is my girl. But y'all, they have the whip body butter. Oh, if you thought this was good, this is like 10 times better. It's so much moisturizing. And if you are a girly who actually didn't care too much for this because you felt like it wasn't hydrating, girl, try this. Try this stuff right here. Oh my gosh, y'all. First of all, it smells amazing. It just works so well. It works so good, so smooth, and just, oh, I love this stuff. Love. You probably can't tell, but like you can, oh, you can tell. Like you see like the, I don't want to say like glimmer, because it's not like glittery, but like you see like the sheen that it leaves behind, and it's not super heavy at all, how like some body butters are. It's breathable, which is amazing because it's summertime. But y'all, this amazing. Go get y'all some. Don't ever say I ain't put y'all on to nothing. Go get y'all some. Go run and do it. It is so dark in here, but my salad is made. I wanted to make it with y'all, but I was on the phone with my sister. My sister is literally like my best friend. Love her down. Is that a dog? So I seen on my Facebook neighborhood group thingy that there's like this little cute dog who's lost, I don't know. But or bandit, I don't know, but I heard like barking. I'm like, is that the dog at the door? Like what? But I didn't see. I don't know. Anyway, my sister is like my best friend. Love her down. That's my girl. But this is my salad. It doesn't look the best, but I promise y'all it's so good. So I have lettuce, the chicken breast they eat, put it on the grill, red onions. I love onions, y'all. Boiled egg, Parmesan cheese, croutons, and Caesar dressing. I love a good Caesar salad. Love down. I taste the chicken that he made, and it's good. So yeah, she did that. So good. always talking noise about me like over chewing my food. I need to chew my food all the way. I don't like swallowing whole food. Like, I need my food to be chewed. But I'm about to go ahead and eat this. Pour me a glass of wine. She should be home in a little bit. She had to work late today. Cuddle up with her. Y'all may see me again tonight. You may not. If you don't, I'll see y'all in the morning. See, I'm about to enjoy my salad and a glass of wine. Go be a good boy. Teddy, that's a good boy. I'm a good boy, mommy. I'm a good boy. See, I like my bath. You like your bath? Let me see your other paw. Let me see this back leg. Good boy. Oh, shit, goddamn. Got me all wet, but you're such a good boy. I'm such a good baby. This is... Which one is this? Oh, your earwax. Now let me clean your ears. Now let me see your ear. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Is this your eye wipes? Get the rest of the boogers. Gotta get the rest of the boogers. Yeah. Oh no, you don't really like it. But you think such a good boy. Then let me see your face. Get some coconut oil on you. So you won't be dry. Hey y'all, it's the next day. Today is Tuesday. I just got out the shower. Excuse my hair, my little pigtails. I also washed my hair today. I am cooking dinner. I'm just making some what they call these, charro beans, some like Spanish rice, and then I'm finally going to try the burrito tacos from Trader Joe's. The only thing is, I wish I had corn tortillas. I only have flour. I'm gonna have to make it work though. So I gave my baby a bath today. He's all clean. He needs a haircut so bad, y'all. He didn't let me dry him good enough. So I feel like with shorter hair, it'd be easier to like dry him. So yeah, he's clean. Mommy's clean. He already had his dinner. I'm fixing my dinner. I don't know if Ia eat or not. She's not home yet. Oh, it's dark in here. In the pantry. I feel like I have an eyelash in my eye. But yeah. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do the cilantro lime rice or the Spanish rice. Both of these are by Zatarain's. And then I also have this Mexican rice. I don't know. I kind of want the cilantro rice. I really don't know which one I want, like which one I'm in the mood for. Well, this one says 25 minutes, and that's kind of long. This one says 7 minutes, so Mexican rice it is. My beans are already going. I gotta do my rice, and then beans are actually done. Beans are done. They've been cooking for like an hour and a half. I like my beans to slow cook, okay? They gotta be nice and like tender. I don't want no hard ass beans. Even though they came out the can, a girl, I still can't do no hard beans. So I'm about to do this. What is it called? Like the burrito meat stuff. That says that I can like make it in a microwave. So that should probably take like 10 minutes, if that. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and put my rice on, and then I'll taste the burrito with y'all. I love burrito, and I heard great things. I'm pretty sure y'all know, like everybody has heard great things about the burrito tacos from Trader Joe's. I'm just super late on it. I could never find it at first. And then when I did find it, it was during fast, and every year for fasting, I give up meat for Lent. So I'm finally now just tasting it, and I'm excited. I wish I had some cilantro, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I got onions. Let me go ahead and get this cooking, because it's 8 o'clock, and y'all, I want to be asleep by, I was saying 10, but that's kind of pushing it. So by 11, I need to be asleep, girl. I didn't go to bed last night until 3:30, and I've been struggling all day. That's why y'all haven't seen me until it was time for me to give my baby a bath, because today was a struggle. Today was definitely a struggle. Let's go ahead and get this food cooked really quick, and then I'll come back on here and taste it with you all, and then find me a show to watch. Love Island is back on. I may watch that, but then I don't know what it's called, but like a bunch of like kids from like the different Real Housewives, like their kids have a show based in New York. So I want to watch that too. So I gotta figure out which I'm gonna watch. But first thing first, I need to get this food going so I can eat, because it's already 8 o'clock. Hey y'all, so it is not the next day, but the day after that. I am dressed. I'm getting ready to go to dinner with E. We're just doing something quick, going to get some seafood. I'm looking over this way. I'm trying to figure out what fragrance I'm about to put on because she is pulling up, so I need to hurry up. But yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday because yesterday E ended up calling in from work. We didn't do anything but literally sit on the couch and watch Teen Mom like all day. Literally, that's all we did. Yeah. What fragrance? I think I want to do, I haven't worn this in a long time. The Black Opium by YSL. Probably saying that wrong, but I think I'm gonna do this. I want to do something else with it. Man, I need to hurry up. We're about to go out to eat. Of course, I'm bringing y'all with me. Do I want to mix here or is that all I want to wear? I don't know. Let me do a few sprays of the Fenty. Okay. Yeah, that smells good. I smell good. I look super cute. Let me show y'all my outfit. Gotta hurry up. Okay, so I just have on this. Oh, I gotta fix it. This ain't cute. I gotta play with it and see how I want to wear it. I don't know, but yeah, I don't like how this is looking. Gotta fix it. But I just have one this two-piece set from Shein, my Sambas. I gotta fix it and play with it and see like how I want to wear the top because it's looking super big. I'm like, but I feel like it needs to be in some more. I don't know, y'all. Okay, I gotta play with this so I can go. So